Postmen come bearing gifts. So for this job we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, 4 wood screws and some sticky tape. Jolly good morning to you people. How are you doing? Nice early morning, chilling in my office. It is the wife's 40th birthday, so happy birthday to my wife. Love you loads. I'm going to take her up to the Lake District, go for a meal. In the meantime, while she's getting ready, because you know what women are like, I'm going to just dramatically change the look of this car. This is actually one of the joys that I'm loving of just owning a WRX and not my STI Type R. Basically, with this WRX, I can shop at China and it doesn't matter, because at the end of the day it's still a WRX, if that makes sense. I've got a new front lip for this and it is a C West style lip, and this is what I mean about the joys. Now if this was like, let's say a limited STI, even if I had a limited STI, I wouldn't be keeping it original. I'd be going down the route of making it my own. In this case, if I was to get a C West splitter for an STI, maybe a limited version or whatever, if I had one at the minute, then I'd be going down the route of shopping in America and buying the genuine C West. Whereas with this, it doesn't really matter. From the front, it has made this car from the ugly little nerd that it was starting to look like, and now it's just wow. So I'll show you this for the last time how it looks now. Ignore the video boxes by the wheels, they're just there to help me along my way with my job of fitting this splitter. We all need help sometimes. So there she is, or was, and I swapped out the original grille for this. I'm going to be honest with you, I don't like it. In the photos as a grille, not even photoed on the car, just like a grill on a table, it looked epic. And I thought, yeah, I want that. And then I fitted it, and I know Subaru has the Subaru pig and everything, the decals that you see on the mirrors, but that genuinely looks like a pig nose. And I didn't like it until I mock fitted the splitter and it kind of grew on me. I pulled the fog lights out and popped fog covers in there. I'm not a fan of the big fog lights, never really have been, and I just wanted to do something with a grille just to try and change it, make it look a little different, which I still might just end up going with the WRC grille in the end. Might grow on me yet, to give things time. There she is for the last time without a front lip. There is my lip. That's where it's going to sit on the bottom of the bumper, so I get all this extra basically. It gives it a more low profile look. But yeah, to import a genuine one of them from the States, it's silly money. It did come with a little split there. This is from Aero de Auto, I believe they're called. They do have a website. I can drop the links in there. I'm not sure what kind of plastic, but it's flexible. Like I say, I don't need genuine stuff. Chances it's going to get bumped, scraped. I like it. Yes, I'm in my flip-flops. So I've got some Gorilla Tape. I'm just going to use some self-tappers at the minute, and I'm going to Gorilla Tape down there just to hold that in place. I have marked to where it sits already, a little Sharpie on there. I've done the same at the other side, but I'm just going to put Gorilla Tape on there just to kind of hold it in place on both sides. For now, I've just got some small self-tap as well. They're actually wood screws. And I'm just going to screw it to the back of the bumper there. Maybe tomorrow, because I won't have time today. I'll have to go and pick up some nuts and bolts or something and bolt it on there properly. You don't need to see me piss farting about fitting it. So it's just a waste of time, and a waste of your time as well. It's a very flexible rubbery material. It's like a plasticky rubber, but it's very flexible, which is nice actually. Look at that. Behind a tractor the other day and it flicked a stone up and chipped my windscreen. Double-sided sticky tape. It is super good stuff though. It is tried and tested by Nathan and myself personally on registration plates. I'm not 100% reliant on the tape to hold this though, it's just to help, as it's only being tacked in with a couple of screws either side for a minute. Put a strip just along under here and one down there as well. Voila! say, it is only temporary at the minute with these little screws and stuff, but it ain't going nowhere at the minute. I'll pop another one in the middles. I mean, look at that, it's transformed it. And the grill, like I was saying, it really doesn't look all that bad now. Front lip, super happy with it. It's new parts. I can't wait till weekend to be doing that properly. And the wife wants to go out, so while she's getting ready, it's a win-win, innit? Quickly fit it. It's a 10-minute job. Yeah, 10-minute job. It's a little bit of summer. I don't want to just overdo you with content of me doing every little thing on the car, but I just thought that looked sick and I just wanted to show you guys. But if there isn't any content for a while, that's just because I don't just want to blag you with daily or weekly blogs, unless that's what you want as well. If I just bump out, oh, I'm changing the badge on this, or oh look, I'm changing my gear knob today, and if you scroll back through the channel and watch my early videos, I was just an idiot. I like to think I've matured a lot since then. I'm also approaching 40 myself, so I just like to try and bring the best of what I can bring to the channel rather than just flooding you with crap. So do like the video, subscribe, comment, all that. It does help me out a lot, and I shall catch you in the next one. Ciao for now, guys.
It don't do it like the car, does it? Like just...
Check out our new wheels, baby!
There's no
Woo!
wheel on it.
Oh, you get what I mean? It's a steering wheel.
Smart ass.
We hired a boat out. We thought rather than go on the boat at Lake Windermere, we figured we'd just hire one instead. That way we get an hour to ourselves on the lake, just to enjoy without the crowds and the hustle and the bustle. Whoa, look at that seagull move! Hand out! One crazy little seagull, that in it. No, that round that island.
What
just
island?
don't crash into that boat.
Oh, that one?
You know what? She can drive an Impreza. She can drive the wheels off a Scoob. Put her in a boat just to cruise along the lake, and she's going for every boat possible. Nearly in. Now she's going for this guy.
Which way?
Over that way. You got to go around the island, not straight on with that boat. You got to avoid boats.
This way.
You stay between the boys. You got them red boys over there.
So we're round
Them. So you're like going toward that big boat over there. And then we're just going to head out straight into the lake, and then when the phone said half an hour, that's our cue to turn back, and it'll be an half an hour drive back home. Look at the views. I'm well glad I'm not driving. I'd love a boat licence. I know it's your pilot's licence because I inquired about it in Spain one time.
It's not as fast as the
You've
car.
got to watch out for people like this that are rolling. They're a bit more vulnerable than us.
Wow, where's it going?
I don't know, but it had like propellers on the end of each wing. Where's it gone? Oh yeah, they're turning around field. I wonder if it's going to fly back round here. Wow.
Whoa! Hey!
Yeah, you're alright. You just mind out for that big boy there coming up on left. Yeah? Because that'll wipe us out.
Where?
This freaking steam train thing that's coming up on side, the Swan. Look at them for dream homes. There we go, we're just going to pull up into the driveway now. I would normally have my Lamborghini in the garage, but I got offered 10 Subarus for the same money, so I took that instead. Stop touching buttons! Look at that for view to eat a meal. If you was an Impreza, you'd just be a rolling shell, wouldn't you? We're lost, by the way. It's going to be like Crystal Maze in a minute. We're running out of time on the car park. Yeah, someone's having a house built here. Look at that rainbow. There's like a few of them, ain't there, all side by side? Perfect.